Hi, my name is Jeremy Theo. I'm a radio announcer and TV host and event MC. And as somebody with a busy schedule, I understand how difficult it can be to take care of yourself. Now, let me share with you one of my tips for feeling good and looking good. Svenson Hair Center. And recently, Svenson has launched a new machine called Capilla's. It is a safe, non-invasive but effective low-level laser therapy for hair loss problems. And I'm here today to try it out. I'm pretty excited. Here comes Svenson's new machine, the Capilla's. It has laser lights at a specific wavelength that stimulate hair follicles to promote scalp microcirculation and nutrient absorption. It is proven to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. It is also effective in increasing oxygen supply to the tissues, enhancing cell proliferation, and minimizing scalp inflammation. It is also certified to give the highest coverage of low-level laser to scalp, ensuring most follicles on scalp are covered for healthier hair growth. Let's begin a healthy hair and scalp journey with Svenson Hair Center.